Do you remember me? It's been a couple weeks since I posted a video. It has been crazy. I miss Elle so much, but she had her baby, Lola, and I've got video clips and pictures of her, and I've got some clips of the new store. Believe it or not, I did make 3 projects over the last couple of weeks because I get really sad if I'm not being creative. It's gonna be a video. I don't know how good of a video. I don't even know if there's gonna be music. It's just gonna be what I can give you in between all of the crazy stuff that's going on in my life right now. So let's get into it. Please give me some grace because I need to post this in one day instead of the normal week that it takes me to edit. Let's get started. Lola. Lola. You're the precious. You're the precious Lola.
There's Lola.
Welcome to the world, Lola. We love you so much. You are the most beautiful baby I have ever seen.
She's so pretty. What is she?
Lola. She was a showgirl.
Had a doula and she wanted natural childbirth, but Lola was breech. You can't do that anymore if your baby doesn't flip. She actually went through this really painful, I don't know the name of it, where they try to manually flip the baby from the outside. She tried it twice, it did not work. So they scheduled a C-section because she was feet first. I was also feet first. They just let me come out the way that I was when I was born, way back in the 60s.
Hey! Are you almost done?
What?
September subscription box. We're getting it out a few days early because next Monday it's moving day. Moving the shipping to our new shipping room. And then we have 30 more days for the rest. So we've got all the boxes together. I love this box. It has the sunflower on the front from our Let It Fall stencil.
Sunflower boxes have all gone out already. The next box is so good. I'm going to show that to you in this video. We have a few pieces of the deck left over. If you would like to order just that box, we have it listed on our website under just a few left. I'm going to put the link below. So if you want that, there are maybe 10 of them left. I am so excited about the next subscription box. We are making these really cute ornaments. They are little domes. Give you a sneak peek of me putting them together. And we use the paint frosting for the edge. We use the stencils right here to paint the inside of the ornaments. I think this is the best one that we've done. I know I say that every month, but I think this is my favorite one. And this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get everything to make these 3 ornaments for the October subscription.
We are making progress. It is moving in day, and my dad is putting the shelves together. Bobby threw the rope spool up there. Now we're gonna try and push it through so we can hang the popcorn. We got the tables over. Jenny is painting. My dad's putting the shelves together. It's starting to look legit. What do you think of our new shipping room?
It's fabulous.
I forgot to film the part where I painted these plastic ornaments. The first thing that you need to know is use the salvation solution. Because the ornaments are plastic, you really want that paint to grip onto the plastic ornament so that you can rub the transfers on later. I let that dry, and then I put 2 coats of little black dress, and then I put another coat of clear salvation solution over the top, let that dry, and then the transfers rubbed on like a dream.
She was a good companion, eyes like the Grand Canyon. She was an American beauty. She was a long
I used a combination of the Wild Blowman transfer and the Winter Botanist transfer. I love the dramatic, moody floral look, and there are so many birds and butterflies in this one. They are perfect for crafting and creating ornament-sized projects. The link is below to get them on our website. This transfer has been out of stock for the longest time, and now we have them back.
She was the best I lived by. She was an American beauty.
I painted the aluminum lids with golden ticket. It's easier if you put a coat of paint down first. Our paint works like a primer. Then you add 2 coats of golden ticket. It is the most beautiful gold and it is the perfect finishing touch.
It's been a long time since we had one of these car chats. Yeah, I'm back at the junk place. I didn't get anything. We are moving today. We're moving into the shipping room. I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go home, eat breakfast, and start the moving process. We're gonna do it in 3 stages. So stay tuned. I'm hoping to get some footage and I'm really trying to make something. I've done 2 projects and neither one of them have turned out. They've just been kind of lackluster, but I'm gonna show them to you anyway. Okay, we have massive pieces of glass, beveled glass, an office chair, an ottoman, a headboard, these wicker loungers, and a chair. Nothing that I need, but it's here. And then a reminder to cry privately, party, get excited, only cry a little, cry more, and cry. That's not good. Whoever wrote that, we need to pray for that person. Okay. I had given up on this place. I hadn't seen anything out here. I think they were on to me or something, but we do have a little bit of junk. Not that I need it, but let's get out and look.
I have a really beautiful clip to show you of my dad seeing Lola for the first time. But before I show that to you, I wanted to give you an update because we still need prayer. The CPAP machine has taken his anxiety completely away. However, he is still struggling with depression and participating in life. He just hasn't been the same. He's had all kinds of tests. It's really hard. So please keep him in your prayers.
Sees his great-granddaughter for the first time. Is that your grandpa?
I want to give you a little preview of what we will be making for the next subscription box. This box comes with the stencils and the plastic domes and everything you need to make them, along with some paint frosting. You add a tiny bit to any paint and it makes it thicken up. I am using it to create the look of snow with the glitter. If you don't want to sign up for the subscription box, we do sell the plastic domes and the paint frosting on our website.
You just put your camera phone and watch it as a video. Oh, yeah, so it'll do. It's.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Kitty Harris on your way. And the
where is
box
she?
is on its way.
And where is she from?
She is from Dyersburg, Tennessee.
Thank you, Kitty.
Thank you, Kitty.
What are you doing?
I'm taping.
Alma, what are you doing?
Boxing it up.
All right, the last ones are going out for today.
That's it.
Woo, we get to move soon. Who have you got to thank this time?
I've got Natalie.
Natalie, where's she live?
Natalie, should I say her last name?
Yeah.
Oh, Natalie Conklin. She lives in Longmont, Colorado. Beautiful Colorado. It's on the way.
Thank you, Bobby. Thank you, Natalie. Okay, here goes the first load.
There's Natalie's right there.
Okay, Natalie, there you go.
I will show you how I did these ornaments in the next video. The most important thing when painting on plastic is to coat them with the Salvation solution first. They turned out so pretty, so stay tuned for the next video.
In my heart, I feel how this year's end should be. Holy saint, oh, holy night, by your balsam tree. Your brother may Come and stay, and my sister on the eve of Christmas Day. Hallelujah, play the song the season brings. Ring your bell now.
Beautiful sunrise on my way to my workout.
A child, our king.
This is our pile for the junk haulaway. How do you like my new shipping room?
I like it.
It's functional. It looks so pretty. Look at it. What's gonna go away up there?
Popcorn machine.
Who's gonna do it?
You.
The hero.
You.
I'll help.
You gotta watch.
I'll make sure you don't fall.
You're good at watching me do that.
Got it up. We did it. Look at it. It looks so good.
What do you think?
I love it.
Look how high the rope is.
Good. So much better than the other store.
I have a few more shots of Lola to show you that are so cute. Before I do that, I just want to tell you that in 1 week, I'm going to Northern California to teach a workshop, and there are still tickets left, and it's gonna be a crafting extravaganza. If you like these ornaments, there's gonna be the paint frosting, the stencils, the transfers, the molds, the stamps, everything. We're gonna just have like a big creative potluck, and you don't wanna miss it. It's 2 days long, it's amazing. Somebody's calling me, you want to come. The link is below. There are a couple of ornaments that I made that I did not have time to show you how I did them. I used the Partridge Lane transfer, and then I painted them with White Swan and the paint frosting.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm.
We have all the products on our website along with the subscription box, and we got a ton of new stuff for our new store listed on our website. So if you would like a sneak peek of what we're going to be selling at our new store, click the link below. And if you would like to find DIY paint in your area or sell it in your store, the link is below. Stay tuned for more Lola.
A moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
Is it being a grandma?
She's so precious. I'm in love.
She likes to sleep with her hands above her head like I do. Her name was Lola.
Tired.
Lola.
I can't even.
Can you say hi, Auntie Debi? Hi. Just